my channel. I'm an inventor and I love to build and create things. And today I'm going to be showing you how to create your very own amphibious vehicle. Now, it was so much fun making my amphibious vehicle. I hope you follow my steps and create your very own. So an amphibious vehicle is technically like any car, like it could be a little toy car, it could be a real car, that can go in water because it has propellers and it's like filled with flotation to keep it from capsizing and like stop the water coming in. But you can also drive it around on the land, and which is what I did, and I had so much fun in it. I hope you enjoy this video on how to make your very own amphibious vehicle. Let's go watch this baby. Really boring. I'm washing a car. Yes. Because this is an amphibious vehicle, there can't be any leaks. So we need to screw this off, seal it up, and put it back on. I have to push hard, otherwise it won't come out. So we'll pull this off, seal it up, and put it back on. It's not that easy. I gotta try and position it exactly where it goes. Now to screw it on. See, the sealant's doing its job. I have to cover this hole with some plastic. Put it back on. Push, push, push. Now to add some flotation. Yummy. Oops. The more the better. Now to put the milk bottle in. I'm going to seal it up so water doesn't come in, and I don't want to get wet. This one's black. Now I'll push the core flute onto the silicone. I'm going to put some sides on. So the water doesn't come into the wheels, I'm going to drill a hole and put some foam in. Now to add some additional buoyancy to stop me from capsizing. And twist. We're going to put the terminal on, blue end first. Put the battery in. That's it. Red to red. We'll reconnect the foot switch. It works. Now I'm going to install the outboard motor that pushes it through the water. Glue on the racket. The bracket. We're going to attach the outboard with these saddle clamps. I can make it move sideways to steer it. I'm going to bring power to the outboard motor now.
Squish.
To steer it now, we'll go from the front axle, attach it with a wire to the outboard. Now pull the second wire through. And with two wires, you can do the steering. And now for some finishing touches. So here's the car, and there's the lake. Let's hope this works. Let's go!
Steer to the left. Steer to the left. It's working! Any water coming in? Does anyone else think it's sinking?
Yeah. Turn around. Is it sinking?
It's not sinking, but it's...
Maybe come back. You should come back down.
That's it. Lean forward.
Well, that was sort of successful. Thanks for joining me on the first Kids Amphibious Vehicle. Okay, so now that you've seen how I made my very own one, I hope you make yours too. It was fun, but it was a little bit slow for my liking. So we took it out of the water, took it back home, and we added a bigger and faster and better and more powerful propeller. We took off the old one, put a new one on, and then we went down that afternoon down to the same place. We put it in at like an oval, and near the oval there's like a forest, and in the forest there's like a little lake, and we put it in there. And the second time it was like super fast, like crazy fast, and I was like pretty scared, so I had to have it on medium speed, not even full speed. And yeah, it was super fun. It took me a while to get used to the steering. As you can see, I had my life jacket on, like a paddle in the back of the car just in case like it sank, even though the paddle wouldn't do anything. But yep. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learnt some stuff. Bye.